Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Ming Espiritu Vasquez of Lendarvic Fashion. And for those who are new, welcome. And for today's session, I'll be sharing with you on how to cut this A-line wedding dress, and you will be seeing Lendarvic Fashion products at Grace Fashion Boutique in MH Del Pilar Street, Tanay, Rizal, with a contact number of 0931-709-7211. Please watch out the opening of Grace Fashion Boutique in Tanay, Rizal. If you want to have your wedding dress be customized, please contact Grace with the number I stated, and I will be writing the numbers there later. Okay, let's proceed with the cutting. I'm going to cut the skirt first. This is a silk. I bought this material here in Dubai, and what to do is to fold this one. Okay, you are going to take the corner, fold this into two, and it will look like this. There are two ways in getting the waistline. By the way, the waistline of this one is 30, but I'm not going to measure the 30. I have the formula in getting the ranges of this one, but I'm not going to use the formula in taking the ranges. It's just simple. You see, I'm not getting the exact 30. I need to reduce at least 1 inch, and then I need to do this only, that is 30 but less 1 inch, so it will be 29. So I'm going to get the 1/4 of the size of the waistline. So this is 7 1/4. Okay, you do it this way only. If you see that it's coming like this, you have to put a mark and leave an allowance here for 1 inch there. Then you have to measure from here to the corner. Okay, that is 10 1/2. So you are going to do it this way. You can do this without getting the radius of this one. Okay, now you have to check again. That is 7 1/4. So you have an allowance this much there. And then when you get the front, you are going to deduct the upper part. So from shoulder to the front figure, you are going to deduct that one. So what is the front figure of this one, or the figure? It is 16 1/2. So you are going to reduce or to deduct the 16 1/2. So from your mark there, what is the final length? The length of this one in front is 56 only. So you are going to get the 56 until here. There. Make it sure that the figure is deducted here. Okay? Because this is the skirt length. So you take that measurement there, 56. Okay, that is 39 1/2. So you have to measure that 39 1/2 going to the side, 39 1/2 there, there. When you reach nearly to the side, you are going to measure 39 3/4 until you reach 40. Okay, or until you reach 40 1/2. Okay, so you have to adjust that one also. Pin it here. and measure this part. Okay? Measure 40.5 here on the side. There. Okay? And then cut. You have to leave an allowance here of 1/2 inch. And put a notch here at the center. A notch here means this is the stitching part. Okay? Then you're going to cut this part. Leave an allowance of 1/2 inch also. Then cut this part. Then you get the back. This is quite long, so you need to set the front on top of this double folded material. Set it this way. On my left side is the waist part. Okay, there. You have to check if this part is okay there, going there. Okay, so you have to leave an allowance here also. That part will come this way later. Okay, it will come to this. It will come a big round here on this hemline part. Fix properly. Okay. So we can cut it now. Cut this upper part first. Leave an allowance here because this part will serve as the seam allowance at the back. Okay. Just pin it so that it will be easier for you when you cut the fabric for the lining. Okay, then you're going to pull it because our table is small, so we need to adjust this one. Pull it slowly. There. Okay. Okay. There. So this is now your back. Okay, that's the round part. Now we are going to get that lining. This lining is narrower than the width of the main material. It needs join here. Okay, same thing that you are going to take the corner and then lay down your front on top of this fabric. You see this part is short. We are going to put a joint here. Okay, so this is the main material. I'll set aside and I'm gonna put a joint here this way. You have to follow the direction of this selvage here. So I need to cut this one later, but for the time being you are going to do it this way to this part. There. So this is now your front. Put a notch here. We are going to reduce the hemline of the lining for 1 inch. The lining must be shorter than your main material. You have to double fold it, get the size of your back. Then you have to set your back on top of this fabric. So this is now the lining of your wedding dress, okay? And don't forget to cut 1 inch from the lining. Now we are done with the skirt.